Welcome back to the channel. You already know who it is. It's your boy Justice, man. I decided to do something a little different today back in the Mustang, you know what I'm saying? Because people, the V6 gets a lot of hate. So I'm gonna show you what it's like driving the V6 Mustang, and that you can have fun, you know what I'm saying? It's not all that bad, you know. A little less than 300 horsepower. Mine is tuned. So let's get this started up. Nothing too serious, just a little so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Go ahead, old lady. Go ahead. In my car. Go ahead. Give me a new bumper. Okay, never mind. She's straight. All right. Let's see what we're working with. Oh man. So if this is your first time, you know, if you just subscribe because of the motor vlogs and whatever, you probably don't know anything about this car. It don't get old, man. It don't get old. This car, 3.7 liter 2014 Mustang V6. Everything I've done so far, started out with wheels and aesthetics, then from there I went ahead and it's a nice bike. I went ahead and got the Roush axle backs. I really like those. They pop a lot. These videos don't really do it justice on the downshifts and stuff. And then I got ceramic shorty headers from BBK. Never got an intake. Never got a cold air intake. Should have, but never did all that. Besides that, performance-wise, changed the shifter, which that's not really nothing. Just the look of aesthetics. Got the ghost cam in a 93 race tune. Just a little pep, you know, nothing serious. I want to get gears on down the road. So I'm always keep this car, Lord forbid nothing happens to it, you know what I'm saying? It's been very reliable. I've always said that though, you know. It's woo! Look, and I'm telling y'all, I don't even have, oh Jesus, I don't even have springs on this car, you know what I'm saying? I don't have coilovers, stock ride height. I need to, you know, I need to get all that, but this car is great. I've had it since I've been in high school. Like, you know how long? I've had this car for 5 years. And it's almost done with me through college, so y'all know I'm trying to get that GTR. But eventually they got a Pro Charger kit that actually isn't bad. I used to want the I didn't want a turbo, because turbo changes the sound of your car, and I like the meatiness. It's not like official American muscle, but you know it's an American muscle car. Like the 3.7 has its own unique tone to it. Oh, and I wanna keep my catalytics. I wanna cut where the X is, and I'm gonna put the H pipe right there to make it a little bit deeper. And then I think I'm gonna be done with the car. Like, in all honesty, besides looks wise, like performance wise, it'll be straight. Oh man. Yeah, yes sir. I don't care what anybody says, man. V6 holds its own, and that's the thing with the V6, like, because it's so light up front, it's like with the smallest adjustments to, you know, its handling would be a pretty decent like mountain run car, track type car. If I didn't have these chrome rims, it'd probably be a lot less, and I still got a spare, and I got two 12 kickers in the back, so you know, it is what it is, you know. As I was saying, the V6, it gets a lot of hate, like I said, it does. It's getting more acceptable. People really don't accept the EcoBoost, but the EcoBoost is a very, actually has more horsepower than this car too. It doesn't have the necessary sound of a Mustang, but it's quick. I like the turbo. You can't go wrong with the turbo. But besides that, you know, I can pretty much beat a 09 GT and older. You know, this is not a competition because everything nowadays is quick, and you're not gonna, unless you're driving a GTR, Hellcat, M2, something. Those are fast. You know, 600 horsepower, 600 horsepower. But cars like this, it's just fun cars for the average person, you know, and it doesn't hurt the bank too bad. Man, I realized I didn't get any downshifts, so I didn't get any like little pulls from like 40. I'll do a fourth to second real quick. Just some slight work, man. I gotta get one of them really good downshifts, man. That cause I really think, you know, I don't have the best sounding V6, but I think I'm up there. Like, not being cocky or anything, cause you know V6s can sound bad. I know this video is not gonna do it justice, man. It's just, as many times I've had like older people, like most young people know if it doesn't have the GT symbol on the back, it's not a GT, but older people be like, ain't no way that's a V6, man. Come on now, come on. That thing ain't sounding like that. Shoot. Ain't nothing like driving stick either, man. Like, I know everybody got automatics to be fast nowadays, but it's just something about driving stick. And I know the manuals are dying. They really are dying, but you know, it's just like with the bikes. The bikes don't come automatic, you know, for the most part. Besides them little trikes. It's just something about a manual that you just feel really connected and in control. Before this rain kick in. Oh my God, y'all just don't know, man. It's crazy. I just love stick, man. Love driving stick. It's reckless. It's reckless. But I just want to do a little shout out, man. My dog Splashy, Wally, man. Just caught him when I drove by. I was going a little too fast, so I didn't really get to say what's up. But my dog Rashawn, man. Ray Roach the Savage, y'all go check out his channel. Sebastian, all them boy grinding, man. Like, for real. And Nicole, she grinding too. I see her. You know, that's what I say on that. But it's crazy, man. YouTubers, we a whole community. We just be doing our thing, and that's what I like about it. So. Thank you. Another shout out to everybody that subscribed and continuing to support the channel, because YouTube ain't easy, man. A lot of people want to do it, so I tell people they should, but it's a lot of work too. But you gotta do what you love. Nah, I love this car to death though, man. But I didn't want to make this video too long. If you have any questions, any of you Cyclone owners or anybody thinking about getting a V6 that you're debating because of the word V6 or 6 cylinders, not a V8, hit me up, man. Let you know my personal experience, because I don't have too much bad to say about it. But it's a good car, very reliable too. Haven't had really any issues. But until next time, man, y'all just keep doing the thing. And don't let nobody tell y'all nothing else, man. It's crazy. So, you know, I'm gonna catch you on the next one.